Hi everyone, I'm starting a new course to teach you guys how to program in Python. Well, it's gonna be fun. So we have, I will teach you guys from the basic level to the advanced level. So in basic level, basic module will cover some sort of things that I listed there. So we'll cover what kind of variable types we are using, basic syntax. I will teach you guys go through, and operators, different kind of operators like binary operators and other logical operators, and decision makings like if else, and loops, for loop, while loop, for each loop, how we're gonna use in Python. And then list, tuples, what is the difference between list and tuples. Then we'll get to the concept of dictionaries in Python, and how we're gonna use functions, and then how we're gonna take input outputs of the files, and exception handling. Of course, if we got an exception like dividing a number by 0, we got an exception. We will find an exception in other programming languages. So, and how about in advanced level? Advanced level will cover most of the things that are you'll find. I will teach you guys, of course. And let's say list comprehension, it's kind of a type of, it's a tricky thing, okay. And dictionary comprehension, generators, of course, if you are familiar with them, then it's well and good. So classes and regular expressions, database, how we're gonna connect to the database, to different databases. I will cover most of them. So on your demand, if you want to, want me to include something more in them, you can suggest me. You can comment below. And networking, of course, and email sending, threading, XML, and UI. So these are the few things that I want to introduce. That I've started recording, so that means I need to tell you that what we're gonna learn in basic level, and well, on advanced level I will. And after this course, I will start machine learning course later, and then NLP, of course. See you in next. I hope you're gonna guys enjoy. In next video we'll learn how to set up the environment for of course I'm using Linux, so maybe for you I will guide you. So thank you for watching.